Hello everybody, today we're looking at with abrasive roll. They come in different widths, 50 millimeter, a 40 millimeter and a 30 millimeter. It is aluminium oxide with a material backing. Why is that important? The reason being, you can tear it by hand or in the middle and you always get a straight tear. As you can see, I can fold it double almost, and there is almost no aluminium oxide coming off, and it did not crack. This is ideal for hand sanding, or if you're working on a lathe for fast material removing. And with the same piece we can now go from that size to something a bit bigger, and again now you can polish it by hand, or if you're working with a lathe you can utilize it, and as you can see there, perfect polishing. Or if you are in the plumbing industry and you need to take a piece of copper pipe, all done by hand. You can also, instead of using it like that, you can literally use your fingers, and by just going up and down, fast removal of rust on a metal surface. If you're in the wood industry, this is a perfect abrasive for you. If you're working on a lathe, you can see for shaping wood or metal, and this is just done by hand. So with abrasive roll, different lengths, different grits and different widths.